Good morning, guys. Yep. Here I am again. It's been a while, good minute. Not quite feeling it. Did just a little bit of work one week, not enough for a video. Did a little bit of more work the other week, not enough for a video. So I'm combining both of those two little projects together. Had a few things, did a few things on my days off, so that cuts down on production. Things are going pretty good. A lot of new projects coming on, and it's gonna be interesting and fun to do. So got my trailer back here. It's getting hot here, people. We're talking about 105, 110, 113 this weekend. So I'm really glad I have my AC. Update on my AC video. My solar wasn't providing enough power to keep the place cold. It was cool. It wasn't significant. At night, I use my air cooler when it drops down into the 80s and high 70s, mid 80s. That's perfect. My air cooler does the job no problem when I add cold water. During the day, though, and in the evening, that's another story. So I have a generator, a dual fuel generator, and I run it off propane. It cuts down the amperage a little bit, the wattage, but it's still significant enough. So I run that late afternoon, early evening, and the propane tank lasts longer than adding fuel every 4 hours, every 46 hours. So anyway, that's an update. I'm running my AC off a generator, which works perfect, and it cools down the place. And then late at night, I turn that off and I use the air cooler. So that being said, I enjoy this project. It was filmed over the last 2 weeks, a day at a time, really. And what it looks like at the end of the video is what it's going to look like for a while until I move on to that portion. So the next project is going to be the shower, and then I got something else. It's going to be big, it's going to be nice, and worth watching. And you know it, guys. Enjoy the show! Alright, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to undo this track right here that I have my curtain that separates the shower and the utility room. I don't know if I'm going to keep that there, but it's going to stay there for now. I got these little brackets. I'm just going to move this back a bit. I'm going to add 2x3 frame board across here and here, make it straight and leveled, and then add my board to close this off. So it's going to be like a semi-wall. Yeah, I'm going to close this off, and I'm going to add some shelving and whatnot on the back side. So I got to build a frame type thing along here and across here and up this way to support everything. So let's get after it. Alright guys, so that's going to be the wall. My counter kitchen area. It's going to be all this. I'll clean it up and show you in a second. And the back portion, oops, it's gonna be all this. I'm gonna put shelving across here, some more shelving here, and then my plumbing for the shower down. Alright guys, as you can see, I added this first shelf right here. Was the first one I had, and I added the other two with the rest of the wood that I had. So yeah, gives me more shelf space. Alright guys, so this is nice and solid. It's a cupboard above the sink and the counter. I know it's a mess, but yeah, it's gonna be cabinet doors there eventually. And yeah, things are getting a little bit more storage space, and that's what this place needs right now, is more storage, because starting to fill it up, make it look less like a mess. All right guys, so this is how it looks all painted right now. Until I add decoration, that's how it's gonna look. Painted my cupboards. Now there is gonna be a cabinet fascia facing and doors that's gonna go over here eventually. Those are gonna get replaced eventually because I don't like them, even though I did them. So everything's painted. I added my fire extinguisher down there. All right guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. I know it's taken a couple weeks to get one out, but like I said, wasn't quite feeling it, and the work was very slow and progressive. I did this back portion one section, that wall, and then this I did it the following week. So I only did a little bit at a time because I had other things going on. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. There's going to be more. I got a big project coming on for this trailer. That's going to be a nice upgrade, and yeah, it's going to be pretty interesting to watch. And it was a little costly, but it's important. It's a must. So I'm really excited. I really want to tell you guys, but until next time guys, you know it. Ciao.